Chat GPT AI. Let us quickly do some questions and answers with Chat GPT here. Chat GPT-3 Open AI as a tool seems to me like a jack of all tools, master of all. Reasons have been that the tool is so efficient. Can you convince me how true is this statement? I know, just like me, you would have been asking yourselves this very vital question. Now listen to the accurate answer. GPT-3 is indeed a very powerful language processing tool, but it is not necessarily a jack of all trades, master of all. While it can perform a wide range of language tasks, it may not necessarily be the best at all of them. It is important to keep in mind that GPT-3 is a machine learning model, and like any machine learning model, it is only as good as the data it has been trained on. This means that it may be better at some tasks than others, depending on the quality and quantity of the training data that was used to train it. Additionally, there are some language tasks that may be beyond the capabilities of GPT-3 or any current machine learning model. In short, GPT-3 is an impressive tool with a lot of potential, but it is not necessarily the master of all. You may say, please expatiate more in detail. Okay, let's go. This is what I meant. GPT-3, short for Generative Pre-training Transformer 3, is a language processing tool developed by OpenAI. One of the main reasons that GPT-3 is considered a powerful tool is its large size. It is currently one of the largest language models available, with over 175 billion parameters. This means that it has been trained on a very large dataset, and has the ability to process and understand a wide range of language inputs. In addition to its large size, GPT-3 also has the ability to perform a wide range of language tasks. It can be used for tasks such as language translation, summarization, question answering, and text generation. It can even perform tasks that involve understanding and manipulation of structured data, such as creating a table or generating code. Despite its impressive capabilities, it is important to keep in mind that GPT-3 is still a machine learning model, and like any machine learning model, it has limitations. It is only as good as the data it has been trained on, which means that it may not be able to perform certain tasks as well as a human. For example, it may struggle with tasks that require a deep understanding of context or common sense knowledge. Additionally, GPT-3 is not perfect at every language task it can perform. While it may excel at some tasks, it may not be as good at others. Overall, GPT-3 is a powerful language processing tool with a lot of potential. It can perform a wide range of language tasks and has the ability to process and understand a wide range of language inputs. However, it is not a master of all, and there are certain tasks that it may not be able to perform as well as a human. It is important to keep these limitations in mind when using GPT-3 or any other machine learning model. Furthermore, another limitation of GPT-3 is that it is a machine learning model, which means that it is not able to think or understand in the same way that a human does. It can only perform tasks that it has been specifically trained to do, and it does not have the ability to generalize beyond what it has seen in its training data. This means that if it encounters a situation that it has not been specifically trained for, it may not be able to perform the task accurately or reliably. Additionally, GPT-3, like all machine learning models, is subject to bias. The data that it has been trained on may contain biases, which can then be reflected in the output of the model. It is important to be aware of this and to consider the potential for bias when using GPT-3 or any other machine learning model. In summary, while GPT-3 is a very powerful language processing tool, it is not a master of all. It has limitations and is subject to bias, and it is important to keep these things in mind when using the model. It is a valuable tool that can perform a wide range of language tasks, but it is not a replacement for human intelligence and understanding. Are you still here? Not disappointed? Or discouraged? Please receive this good news. Listen to this, hear this. Bravo! As a content creator and website builder, how can I leverage ChatGPT with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and other vital social media platforms, etc.? There are several ways that you can use GPT-3 as a content creator and website builder to enhance your presence on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Here are a few ideas. Generate content. GPT-3 can be used to generate written content for your social media posts. You can provide it with a prompt and it will generate text based on that prompt, which you can then edit and use in your social media posts. This can be especially useful for generating captions for your Instagram or Twitter posts. Create hashtags. GPT-3 can be used to generate hashtag suggestions for your social media posts. Simply provide it with a prompt about your post and it will generate a list of relevant hashtags that you can use to increase the visibility of your post. Design social media graphics. GPT-3 can be used in conjunction with a design tool like Adobe Illustrator to generate design ideas and templates for social media graphics. Simply provide it with a prompt about the type of graphic you want to create, and it will generate a list of design ideas and templates that you can use as a starting point for your own designs. Generate video scripts. If you create videos for social media platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn, GPT-3 can be used to generate script ideas and outlines for your videos. Simply provide it with a prompt about the topic of your video, and it will generate a list of ideas and outlines that you can use as a starting point for your own script. Chat your website. GPT-3 can be used to generate content for your websites, such as product descriptions or blog posts. It can also be used to generate ideas for new pages or features to add to your website. Overall, GPT-3 can be a useful tool for enhancing your social media presence and creating high-quality content for your website and other online platforms. I asked Chat GPT to design social media graphics for me. Listen to how the AI responded. "I'm sorry, but I am not able to create social media graphics for you. As a language model, I do not have the ability to access or create images. However, I can provide you with some suggestions on how you can use GPT-3 in conjunction with a design tool like Adobe Illustrator to generate design ideas and templates for your own social media graphics." Start by deciding on the topic or theme of your graphic. This could be something like summer vacation or coffee culture. Use GPT-3 to generate a list of design ideas related to your topic. To do this, you could provide it with a prompt like generate ideas for social media graphics about summer vacation or generate ideas for social media graphics about coffee culture. Review the list of ideas generated by GPT-3 and select the ones that you like best. Use these ideas as a starting point for your own designs, using a tool like Adobe Illustrator to create the actual graphics. Keep in mind that these are just general suggestions, and you may need to experiment with different prompts and techniques to find the approach that works best for you. And when I insisted that it should do itself, it replied to my request. You may ask Chat GPT to generate ideas for social media graphics about summer vacation. Sure. Here are a few ideas for social media graphics about summer vacation that you could generate using GPT-3. A graphic featuring a beach scene with a banner that reads "Escape to Paradise." A graphic showing a person lounging on a pool float with the text "Poolside Vibes." A graphic of a suitcase packed and ready for a trip, with the text "Ready for Adventure." A graphic featuring a mountain landscape with the text "Hiking in the Great Outdoors." A graphic showing a person enjoying a cocktail on a tropical beach, with the text "Sipping on Paradise." A graphic of a person relaxing in a hammock, with the text "Hammock Time." A graphic featuring a sunset over the ocean, with the text "Sunset Serenity." A graphic showing a person exploring a new city, with the text "City Exploring." A graphic featuring a person relaxing on a boat, with the text "Boat Life." A graphic of a person enjoying a barbecue with friends, with the text "Summer BBQs." For example, let ChatGPT generate for you a business model that can be managed by 5 businessmen with a total sum of $5 million. Finally, I went further to request from the app, ChatGPT, to illustrate a business model that could potentially be managed by 5 businessmen with a total sum of $5 million. This was its breakdowns. Sure. Here is a business model that could potentially be managed by 5 businessmen with a total sum of $5 million. The business would be an online retailer that specializes in selling high-quality outdoor equipment and apparel. Finally, I went further to request from the app, ChatGPT, to illustrate. The business would utilize the $5 million to create a comprehensive website and online store, as well as to purchase inventory and marketing materials. The 5 businessmen would each be responsible for different aspects of the business. One person could handle the financials, another could handle marketing and advertising, and so on. The business would focus on building a strong online presence through social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization. The business would also establish partnerships with influential outdoor bloggers and social media influencers to help promote the brand. The business would strive to provide excellent customer service and to offer a wide range of high-quality products at competitive prices. In order to generate revenue, the business would charge a markup on the products it sells and would also generate income through affiliate marketing and sponsored content partnerships. The business would aim to continually grow and expand, potentially opening physical retail locations and expanding into new product categories as it grows. Give Me of the business would be an online retailer that specializes in selling high-quality outdoor equipment and apparel. Here are some additional ideas for the online retail business that specializes in selling high-quality outdoor equipment and apparel. The business could offer a wide range of products, including hiking and camping gear, backpacks, climbing equipment, outdoor apparel, and more. The business could differentiate itself from competitors by offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee and by providing detailed product information and reviews to help customers make informed purchasing decisions. The business could also offer a loyalty program or rewards program to encourage repeat customers. To increase customer engagement, the business could create a blog or resource center featuring articles and guides on topics such as outdoor adventure, camping tips, and product reviews. The business could also host events or partnerships with local outdoor organizations or clubs to further connect with its target audience. To build a strong brand, the business could invest in high-quality packaging and branding materials, as well as in creating a strong visual identity through its website and social media channels. To stay competitive, the business could regularly review its pricing and product offerings and make adjustments as needed. It could also regularly seek out new products and partnerships to expand its offerings.